If you're considering a window replacement project in Bartow, Florida, you're likely looking for an upgrade to your home's appearance, energy efficiency, and overall comfort. Whether you're replacing old, drafty windows or renovating for aesthetics, understanding the process can help set realistic expectations and ensure the project runs smoothly. Here's what you can expect during a window replacement project in Bartow, Florida. Initial consultation and estimate. The first step in any window replacement project is the consultation. A professional window installer will come to your home to assess your existing windows and discuss your needs. This is a great time to ask questions and provide your preferences regarding window styles, materials, and energy efficiency features. Many homeowners in Bartow opt for double or triple pane windows to combat the region's heat and humidity, while others may choose windows that offer enhanced soundproofing. The installer will also take measurements of your windows and provide you with an estimate. This quote will include costs for labor, materials, and any additional services such as removing and disposing of your old windows. It's essential to ensure that the estimate includes all aspects of the project, so there are no surprises later on. Choosing the right windows for your home. Once you have the estimate, it's time to choose the right windows. Bartow, being located in Central Florida, experiences hot summers and occasional storms, so energy efficiency is a top priority. You'll want to select windows that are energy efficient, offering features like low emissivity, low E coatings, insulated frames, and double or triple glazed panes. These features help to keep the interior of your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, reducing your energy costs. Additionally, many homeowners in Bartow are concerned about hurricane protection, so you might consider impact-resistant windows, especially if you live in a zone prone to severe storms. Your contractor will guide you in selecting windows that fit both your functional needs and aesthetic preferences, whether you're after traditional, modern, or custom designs. Scheduling the installation. Once your window selection is complete, it's time to schedule the installation. Many window replacement companies in Bartow will aim to complete the project in 1 or 2 days, depending on the number of windows and the complexity of the installation. Before the installers arrive, make sure that the work area around your windows is clear of furniture and any obstacles. This will make the installation process smoother and faster. The installation process. On the day of installation, the crew will arrive with all the necessary tools and materials to replace your windows. The process typically begins with removing the old windows, which can involve taking down trim, caulking, and sometimes even the surrounding drywall. This step is crucial to ensure a tight, secure fit for the new windows. Next, the new windows are carefully installed, sealed, and caulked to prevent air leaks. Depending on the type of window, the installers may use different methods to ensure the windows are secure and properly insulated. If you're replacing several windows, expect some noise and dust, but rest assured that professional installers will minimize disruptions as much as possible. Clean-up and final inspection. Once the new windows are installed, the crew will clean up any debris and dispose of the old windows. They will also perform a final inspection to ensure everything is sealed correctly and working properly. It's a good idea to check the windows yourself to ensure they open, close, and lock smoothly. The installer may also provide you with some care and maintenance tips to ensure your windows continue to perform well. This may include information on cleaning the windows, checking seals, and caring for the frames. Proper maintenance will extend the life of your new windows and keep them functioning at their best. Final thought. A window replacement project in Bartow, Florida, can be a great investment in your home's energy efficiency, comfort, and curb appeal. By understanding the process, choosing the right windows, and working with a professional installer, you can ensure a smooth and successful project. The right windows can make a big difference in your home's comfort, aesthetic appeal, and energy bills, so it's worth taking the time to do it right. With the right team on your side, your window replacement project will be a rewarding upgrade for your home.